Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can hide your page in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix, and then just click Pages and Manage Pages, and then you're gonna see all the pages here. And what you want to do, like for example, the home is hidden, so you just want to click here on the snack bar and hide. And right when you're gonna hide it, it won't hide from your side, it will hide from your horizontal menu, right? So this is pretty much how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some info. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.